Hello and welcome to Craft Life Academy's YouTube channel. I'm Chris Tailby and I'm a 7-figure online crafts seller, and that's across Etsy, Amazon and Shopify. I was also the e-commerce manager for Specialist Crafts, the largest supplier of arts and crafts materials to the education sector, and I played the main role in more than doubling the sales of their online arts and crafts materials during my time there. Now, did you know that 80% of Etsy's sales is generated by around just 20% of its stores? So that's around 6 million stores generating only 20% of Etsy's total income. So what does this tell us? Well, it tells us that there are a lot of stores opening up that are just not getting the sales that they would like, or they're cruising along and just not getting the growth that they would like. And so I've developed Craft Life Academy for all first-time crafters to hit the ground running and for them to get the sales that they deserve, and also for existing sellers to level up and to stay in that 20%, or to at least give them the best chance of getting into that 20%. I'm also going to be including a lot of craft demonstrations inside Craft Life Academy. So my expertise is in the slide technology. So that's water slide papers, films, foils and plastics to make really cool handmade products. And I'm going to be calling them slide alerts and just sort of slipping them into every video that I make, just for fun really, but to also just show you how easy it is to just take just a few cents or a few dollars worth of products and how to change that into sort of $20, $30 and up to $90 products. I've also completed a completely free video, 1-hour video with as much in as I could possibly pack in, and that's on the link below. This is for first-time Etsy store owners. If you're looking to sell online for the first time and you want to get the fast track and you want to avoid falling into that 80% of sellers, go ahead and check the link out below. I've packed as much as I can into the 1-hour free training. It's also for existing store owners who are just not getting the sales on the traction that they would like. And a lot of experienced sellers will say that just small changes and tweaks can make all the difference. And so check out the link and do let me know if you enjoyed watching the training. And also, if there's any videos down below that are sort of shouting out to you to watch, do go ahead and watch those. And certainly if you like them, please like. And if you like the sound of everything that I'm saying, then do go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to pack as much as I can in over the next 12 months to ensure that you do hit the ground running.